Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 2nd, 2020, and we're going to be planting some Astilbe Sunny Boy roots today. And these bloom in the summertime, and these take partial to full shade. And we do have some Astilbes here. I will show them to you here real quick. So these are just coming back here. And here's some more up here and over here. Now, when these are first starting to come back, they look sort of like a jagger bush, but they don't have the little jaggers on them. So you do want to mark these somehow. We do have some more Astilbes down there and over there. So we're going to get these here planted today, so we'll be right back. So this is what the Astilbe root here looks like. And you can see it did start sprouting some. This starts happening when they're in the stores and they get warm, or when like you take them in your house because you're waiting to plant them. They'll start sprouting on you. So we're going to get these here planted up here. You want to put these about 1 to 2 inches deep. Oh. Now, Astilbe roots and different bulbs are graded by size. So this is a number 1 root. I'm not sure if this one's going to bloom this year. I'll have to do a little research on it. Some plants can take a little bit to bloom, depending on the size of the roots of them. So I'll have to do a little research on that to see if they're going to bloom this year. And Astilbes do like acidy soil, and they grow best in partial to full shade. So if you're looking for something to brighten up a shady area that blooms in the summertime, Astilbes are really pretty. They bloom in like a plume type style. They kind of resemble a plume type celosia in a way, only Astilbes are perennials and celosias are annuals. Now, this is a perennial, and I'm trying to see on here what zone they're a perennial for. Doesn't tell me. I know we're in zone 5 in Pennsylvania, zone 5B, and they do come back every year. So they are a perennial for us. But if you've never given Astilbes a try, they're really neat looking. They have really unusual foliage to them. And the foliage gives color even after the blooms fade. And you can see over here, this is a bloom from last year. It faded, but it still has like an interest to it. It has a texture to it. So if you want something like through the winter time, you can let these up. It'll tell you where your plants are so you don't accidentally dig them out or pull them out for weeds. And it'll give you some different type of contrast during the winter time. So we just have to get these watered. And you want to keep, if you don't get enough moisture, which it is going to rain tonight, you do want to check them for a little bit of water as they establish themselves. And when these start growing, and if they do bloom this year, I will come back with more videos and I'll show you what this particular variety here looks like for blooming. And you can put these in borders. They are deer resistant, but one thing with deer resistant plants doesn't always mean that the deer will stay away from them. Sometimes if the deer are desperate enough, they will still eat them, from what we have seen. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That will tell you when I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!